Okay, now in this video we will see how we can update the values from the bottom sheet. So this is the product page where we are displaying all the products which are available, and when user clicks on this edit button, we are going to show up a bottom sheet which is update product. Okay, so if I come to update product here, this is the component which I have designed. Okay, so this has the name, product name, price, and you can upload fresh images and you can delete the existing images of the product. And once you click on update product, the database entry is getting updated with a fresh image list of images and the price and the name. Okay, so now how I have done this is, first I have added a data type of product where I'm capturing the name, image list, this is a list of images, and price and document ID of the product which I am updating. Okay, now coming back to my component, here what I've done is I have created the component parameter as product. Okay, and this is a type of data type, okay, which I have created in my data types. So I've linked this product with this data type, and it is mandatory, this is required. Okay, now going back again to update product, click on cancel. Okay, now next action what I've done is I've created an action on initialization. So if you open this action window, you will see on initialization I am updating a component state. What I have created is I have created a list of images as a data type again, and I have set the value of this list of images from the component here. Okay, this is the component which I am passing from my product page to this bottom sheet. Okay, so select that and map your image list from the product here. Okay, so that you are loading the existing images to a component state. Why component state is because the user might add fresh images or delete existing images. So end of the day, what we are doing is when user clicks on update product button, the list of image URLs which are updated by the user, that only will get updated in the database. Meaning the user might delete one image and add fresh two images. So it will reset all the image URLs which are there in the existing database. It will rewrite it. So you are not writing or deleting at the time of actual deletion by the user. Meaning for every deletion, for every addition, you are not touching the database. It's only when the user clicks on update product button, then only you are going to update your database here. Okay, so for that I have created a component state here, image list, that will also be a data type, and it is not a list, and it is type of product. So on initialization of this bottom sheet, I am loading the image list. Okay, and where I am using that image list is on this grid view I am using. So if I click on grid view, see here I am using this component state. Okay, so next, uploading the fresh image. So if I click on this upload image component container, okay, here I am uploading the data to Firebase. Okay, and I am creating a fresh entry or updating my component state only when the file URL is not empty. Why I did this is, user may choose not to upload the image. So once the button is initialized, upload is initialized, it's only the component state is only updated only when the image URL is not empty. Okay, so I'm updating here, update fields. I'm adding the image to the list, and what I'm adding is I'm adding the uploaded file URL. Okay, next, coming back to image mapping. Here it's a simple job. Click on image list item, confirm, that's all. And deletion. Okay, deletion, I'm doing two actions here. One is, first I'm deleting the image from my database, and next I'm updating my component state. Okay, so while deleting the image from your database, what you have to do is click on this value, select the component state, because you are only passing the URL to the backend, so that it finds the URL and it deletes the image. Okay, next one, I am updating the component state by removing the value of the image which you are deleting. Okay, confirm, close. So again, coming back to update product, here what I'm doing is I'm updating the document ID. Where I'm getting it from the product component parameter which I have passed to this bottom sheet. Okay, and then name, price, image URL is the a list of images which are available in this component state. Okay, and then I'm dismissing the bottom sheet. So let's see this in live. I'll click here, test mode, initialize. Now we will see how adding a new image and deleting the existing image and updating the product name and price. Okay, for the moment we will go here, we'll see what is the value of joint care is 1000 rupees, muscle care oil is 2240. Okay, let this load. Let me click once again, sometimes it takes a bit of time. So for uploading images and all those stuff, you need to make sure that your Firebase storage is deployed. Here, this Firebase storage should be in deployed status, otherwise you will not be able to upload any data to the Firebase. Okay, you can work with the database, but you will not be able to upload any image or video, any content to your database. Okay, what happened to this? Yeah, so I have two products here. I will click here, right? This is muscle care oil 2240. Let me change this to 1200. Okay, and first I'll show you the deletion. I'll delete this. So you can see the file is deleted and it is also removed from the list. Update product. So now what will happen if I go back to muscle care oil again? See, the product price is now 1200 and you are able to see only 2 images. Okay, now I will add back the image once again. I'll click on upload, muscle care oil, click the image, yeah, this one, open. Yes, so image got updated. Click on update product. That's all. Again 3 images are loaded. Close this. Click on the next product. It is joint care oil. Let's make it 1100. I will only delete the image and I'll update the product. So okay, now joint care oil 1100. You are able to see only 2 images. Close this. Click on again this product. You are able to see 1200 muscle care oil, and you are able to see 3 images. That's all. Hope you got to know how to work with bottom sheet, but there is one more concept which I'll explain in my next video. You can pass on the values from bottom sheet to your main page without updating the database. We will cover that in our next video. Thank you.